Hello students, in this video we are going to understand the concept of function from chapter relation and function. Now, what is function? Function is a special type of relation. I am repeating again. Function is the special type of relation. Now, what is the speciality? Let's see with the definition. A relation F. Note, we are talking about a relation F, not R, as function is the special type of relation. So the relation F from set A to B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Note it again that a relation F from set A to B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Let's understand it with the help of example. So, I am taking the previous example which we have taken in the explanation of relation, where we have two sets, set A and set B, where set A has two element that is 1, 2, and set B has two element 3, 4. Now in previous video we had made total 4 relation of this two set. First of all let's write it. Now we had relation 1 where we have two element and element y is greater than element x and x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B, and therefore we have the following relation 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. Now the second relation which we have written was we have two element x y where x is equal to y minus 2 and x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So R2 is equal to following product 1 3 and 2 4. Now our third relation where we have two element xy and y is equal to x plus 3 and x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Therefore R3 is equal to 1 4 and our R4, that is fourth relation, was y is equal to x plus 1 where x belongs to A and y belongs to B, and therefore R4 is equal to product 2 3. Now let's understand function with the help of following relations, for which I am making arrow diagram where we have two set AB and set A has following element 1 2 and set B has following element 3 4. Now according to this relation, one has two image that is 1 3 and 1 4. Similarly 2 also have two image that is 2 3 and 2 4. Now according to our definition we have learned that a relation F from set A to B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. But here we can see that the element 1 of set A making total 2 image in set B. Similarly element 2 of set A is making 2 image in set B, that is 2 3 2 4. Therefore this relation is not a function as it does not satisfy the definition, that is the set A has element of set A as only one and only one image in set B. Now let's see R2. Again we have set A and set B, element of set A 1 2 and element of set B is 3 4. Now 1 has image with 3 and 2 has image with 4. Now here we can see that element of set A is making only one image to the element of set B. So here we can see that our definition is satisfied that element of set A has one and only one image in set B. With the element of set B. Therefore, this R2 is the function. So we can also write a relation F where in set A has one and only one image to the set B. Now let's see our third relation with the arrow diagram. Now accordingly, here we can see that 1 is making image with 4. So according to definition, a relation is said to be function when element of set A has one and only one image in set B. So here we can see that element 1 of set A is making one and only one image in set B, but the element 2 of set A is not making any image in set B. So, and we have learned in our definition that every element of set A. So here one element of set A is making relation with the element of set, making image with the element of set B, but another element of set A is not making any image in set B. Therefore, R3 is also not a function. Now come to R4 and let's make arrow diagram where set A has two elements 1, 2 and set B has two elements 3, 4. Now here we can see that element 2 of set A is making image with the element of set B, but element 1 of set A is not making any image in set B. Therefore, relation 4 is also not making any function, or R4 is not a function. So in other words, we can say that a relation R from set A to B is said to be function when we satisfy the following condition. So our first condition is domain is equal to set A, and second condition is no two distinct ordered pair have same first element. That is, according to our relations, we can see that in R1 domain is equal to set A, that is all the element in domain is from set A. Now let's see our second condition satisfy or not, that is no two distinct order pair have same first element. That is, this is the order pair, and according to condition no two distinct order pair have same first element, but in this relation we have the same first element. Therefore our second condition is not satisfied, therefore it is not a function. Now come to relation 2. So here we can see that domain is equal to set A, that is the element in domain is from set A. Now our second condition is no two distinct order pair have same first element. So here these are two distinct ordered pair, and we can see that its first element is not same. Therefore our second condition is also satisfied. Therefore R2 is a function. Now let's summarize what we have learned. So first of all, we have learned that function is the special type of relation where a relation F from set A to set B is said to be function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, and we have understand it with the help of the following relation. And our second definition which we have learned is is a relation R is said to be function when domain is equal to set A and no two distinct order pair have the same first element. So we have concluded that among these four relations only R2 is satisfy both the definition. Therefore R2 is the function, as in this element of set A has one and only one image in set B, and also first element of domain is equal to set A, that is all the elements of domain are belongs to set A, and in this we do not have same first element in two distinct ordered pair.
So we have learned the functions in terms of relations.
Now one more thing which you should know, that in functions elements of set B is called the image of set A, and the element of set A is called pre-image of elements of set B. I am repeating again that element of set B is called image of elements of set A, and elements of set A is called pre-image of elements of set B. Example 10. Let n be the set of natural numbers and the relation R be defined on n such that relation R is having two element xy, where y is equal to 2x and x and y must belongs to n, that is natural number. Now what is domain, codomain and the range of R? Is this relation a function? Let's take two set and suppose value of x is 1, 2, 3, which is natural number, and therefore according to our relation y is equal to 2, 4 and 6, as according to relation y is equal to 2x. So here we can see that the value of y is also belongs to n, that is natural number, and we can say that 1 is the value of x which has image 2, and 4 is the image of 2 and 6 is the image of 3. So in this we can say that domain is also
A natural number and codomain is also a natural number,
as well as range is the even natural number. Now since we can see that the element of one set has only one and only one image in the another set, therefore this relation is called the function. Example 11. Examine each of the following relations given below and state in each case, giving reason whether it is function or not. So our first relation is 2, 1, 3, 1 and 4, 2. Now let's make an arrow diagram, that is
2, 3, 4,
1, 2. Now we can see that
1 is the image of 2, again 1 is the image of 3
and 2 is the image of 4. So in this case we can see that
every element of first set has
one and only one image in second set, therefore this relation is a function. Now come to second relation. Again make arrow diagram in which for element from the first set are 2, 3 and 4, and element from the second set are 2, 3 and 4. Now here we can see that element 2 of first set has more than one image in second set,
therefore
this relation is not a function. Now come to second relation. Again make arrow diagram. Now element in first set
are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
and element in second set are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here we can see that every element of first set has one and only one image in second set. Therefore this is a function.